Welcome to Supercar. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2024 Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25. This car isn't just about speed. It's a celebration of 25 years of GTI legacy. Volkswagen has packed this limited edition with everything that makes the Polo GTI iconic, and then some. So, whether you're a die-hard fan of the GTI lineage or new to the game, this review is for you. Stick around because you're in for a treat. Let's start with the exterior. The 2024 Polo GTI Edition 25 is a head-turner, no doubt about that. It carries the signature GTI styling, bold, sporty, and undeniably Volkswagen. The honeycomb grille with the red accents, the distinctive GTI badging, and those sleek LED headlights all scream performance. But there's something extra with the Edition 25. The exclusive 18-inch alloy wheels and the special edition paint job make this car stand out even more. What do you think of the design? Does it live up to the GTI name? Let us know in the comments. Now, let's pop the hood. Underneath, you'll find a 2.0-liter TSI engine that delivers a punchy 204 horsepower. That's right, this little hatchback is packing some serious power. And with a 0 to 60 mile/hour time of just over 6 seconds, it's not just quick, it's thrilling. Volkswagen has tuned this engine to perfection, offering a balance of power and efficiency that's hard to beat. Are you more into the speed or the efficiency of a car like this? We're curious to know your preference. Moving inside, the Polo GTI Edition 25 continues to impress. The cabin is a perfect blend of sportiness and comfort. The classic tartan-patterned seats are a nod to the GTI heritage, while the red stitching and GTI logos throughout add a touch of flair. The driving position is low and sporty, just how you'd want it in a car like this. Plus, the digital cockpit and infotainment system are top-notch, with everything you need right at your fingertips. What's your favorite interior feature in a hot hatch like this? Drop your thoughts below. As for the driving experience, the Polo GTI Edition 25 doesn't disappoint. The handling is sharp, responsive, and just plain fun. The suspension is tuned for performance, giving you that go-kart feeling on twisty roads while still being comfortable enough for daily driving. Whether you're blasting down a highway or carving up a back road, this car is ready for anything. If you could take the Polo GTI Edition 25 anywhere, where would you go? Share your dream drive with us. Now, let's talk about tech. This car comes loaded with features, from adaptive cruise control to a premium sound system. Volkswagen has ensured that you're not just driving fast, but you're doing it in style and comfort. The touchscreen infotainment system is intuitive and packed with options, making it easy to stay connected on the go. How important is tech in a car like this to you? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. And we can't forget about safety. The Polo GTI Edition 25 comes with a full suite of driver assistance features, including lane assist, front assist, and more. It's clear that Volkswagen has put a lot of thought into keeping you safe, whether you're on the track or just cruising around town. Do you think these safety features add to the driving experience? Or do they take away from the raw fun? We'd love to hear your opinion. When it comes to pricing, the 2024 Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25 is expected to start around $30,000, which is a great value for everything this car offers. Considering it's a limited edition, you're not just buying a car, you're buying a piece of GTI history. But what do you think? Is the price justified, or would you spend your money elsewhere? Let's get the discussion going. Finally, let's talk availability. The 2024 Polo GTI Edition 25 is set to hit showrooms later this year, and with only a limited number being produced, it's sure to sell out fast. If you're thinking about getting one, you'll need to act quickly. Are you excited about this new addition to the GTI family? Do you think it lives up to the hype? We can't wait to hear what you think. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2024 Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Supercar for more exciting content. We're always bringing you the latest and greatest from the automotive world, so stay tuned. And don't forget to leave your comments. We love hearing from you.